Alright guys, so it is Tuesday. We are going to look now at your activity for Tuesday and see what you need to do, okay? So we can see that our objective is that we are trying to analyze poetry today by following some steps. So now that we have a feeling for what poetry is and kind of what we need to know from a poem, we're going to dig a little bit deeper, okay? So my directions are asking me 1, to watch the screencast. Good job. You're hopefully doing that, right? And then 2, we're going to complete the activity. So here we have an example, and I'm going to pull that up for you. This is how we would analyze a poem, right? So if we need to know a little bit more about the poem or get to a deeper meaning, this is what we're looking at, okay? So the directions will be the same on your activity. Again, it's asking to make sure that you are sharing this with me on my email address using that blue share button that we talked about, okay? As well as spending 20 minutes, okay? So you can work for just a little bit of time on this and share with me whatever you have. Okay, great. So first thing is you're going to find a poem different from this one. Okay, and you can read it or you can listen to it. So if I click here, a YouTube link will pop up. You have the option to listen. I'm just going to read it to you guys though, okay? But we can listen if we want, okay? So much depends upon a red wheelbarrow glazed with rain water besides the white. Okay, so that's the poem. All right, so I read it to myself or I listened to it. Awesome, I'm feeling good. So my next step is going to look at some vocab, right? So wheelbarrow, in case I don't know what that means, it's defined for me. I'm sure you guys have seen one before. It's like a cart almost, but it has 3 wheels and you use them out back or on a farm or something to do some work, maybe lift some big things, okay? And then glazed, you maybe have heard this about like donuts, right? So glazed is when something is kind of smoothed over and has something covering it. So like donuts, it would be frosting. Our wheelbarrow, it is rain. Awesome. Okay, so step 2 is asking me, what is this poem about? What do I think it's about? Well, I've read it a couple times and I think it's about a wheelbarrow that somebody probably left outside while it was raining, just based on the description that I have. So in this box, I would type the description. Okay, awesome. So then step 3, I need to think about theme. And we know that theme is the overall meaning or message of a story. So I have a couple options that I can pick from. So I'm going to look at the poem again or listen to it again and think about which one makes the most sense. Well, confusion? Not really. It made sense to me, right? Doubt? I don't think there was doubt. I think it was pretty clear. Or happiness? Well, that could be right, I think, because it's talking about kind of a happy picture, right? Just a wheelbarrow setting in the rain. There's some chickens there. It's a happy picture in my mind, okay? And then my last question is going to be, how do we know this is the theme, or why do you think it's the theme? To me, it's a happy image, right? It's not serious. It's just kind of a light, happy image, okay? So that's what you will be doing if we go back to that document. You're going to be doing that same thing here on your activity. You'll find a poem, and you'll go through those activities together. Please share it with me when you are done. Email me right away if you need to video chat or if you have any questions or concerns, and I'll be happy to help you with that, okay? Good luck, guys. Thank you.